Hi there! You're invited to listen to an exclusive excerpt from the next episode that I'll be publishing on Sunday. My next guest is absolutely fascinating, and this is just a teaser of what you can expect from our discussion. Enjoy listening, and I'll see you on Sunday for the full episode.
Welcome to FinScale, a podcast created by Solène Niederkorn, shedding light on innovation in finance, banking, and insurance.
True Insights, Layering the Future of Open Banking. Francesco Simoneschi, co-founder and CEO of TrueLayer.
This is not just about, how you slice the pie, but also how large is the pie, right? And we want this pie to go from somehow small to very, very large. And so the way that will happen is through large scale adoption.
A fantastic episode with one of the founders of TrueLayer, the solution that drives almost 30% of the year-on-year growth in open banking payments in the UK. I loved this interview with Francesco as he shared insights about their experiences and achievements in the open banking sector over the past 7 years, including their diverse range of solutions such as signup plus, payments, payouts, and VRPs, as well as their wide-ranging client base. This includes tech giants in the iGaming, e-commerce, and cryptocurrency sectors such as Coinbase, as well as more traditional merchants like the UK retailer Top Tiles. We explored their competitive positioning and their recent announcement regarding the launch of their payments platform program. We also delved into the potential avenues for growth, both in terms of geographical expansion and the diversification of their product offering. It's a market that continues to expand exponentially. Enjoy the show! Hello, everyone. Hi, Francesco.
Hello. Hi, Solène. Great to be on your podcast today.
Yes, it's truly a privilege for me to have you here. Thank you very much for accepting my invitation. Actually, there are a lot of insights and perspective I'm eager to dive into today with you, but could you start by introducing yourself, please?
Absolutely. I'm Francesco. I'm the CEO and co-founder of TrueLayer. We are a payment network built on the back of open banking and account-to-account technologies. In a nutshell, we connect banks, businesses, and users to help them move money, pay for goods and services. We are trying to rebuild, if you want, payment network from scratch using modern technology and take on some of the largest companies in the world and in this sector. Mm-hmm. And we are based in the UK. We started in 2016. We are a startup company, venture-baked. I've been working for pretty much like my entire career and life as a tech entrepreneur and also as an investor in technology startups. And I'm originally Italian, came to the UK to really build TrueLayer on the back of changing regulations. And we have been good and I would say lucky to really be in the front row for really witnessing this open banking advancement in the market. And we are self-responsible for a large chunk of this volume of payments that we do initiate and facilitate. And so we have been incredibly excited to being some sort of like engine for growing this open banking economy. Mm-hmm. and almost like being pioneer in this space. Mm.
Yes, it's amazing what you've been building those 7 years. I guess the listeners are familiar with TrueLayer, but I think some might not necessarily know about all its beginnings. So could you explain to us how it all started, how you started this journey?
Yeah, I think as every startup, like we do have a story, and our story, I think, really starts many years ago, because I think like before TrueLayer as the company, there was Francesco and Luca. Luca is my co-founder and CTO of the company, and we know each other since we were very young kids in the high school in Rome. And we met and we kind of like hang out together because we shared a passion for computers. On top of course, like everything that a 14 years old would be interested in. And there's a lot of things that 14 years old are interested in. But among those, I guess, we had, software and building software, and we didn't know anything, but we were self-taught. And so it was really cool to, start working on some early open source projects with him and imagine what can you do by building software, by building application. And we kind of knew of those kind of success stories of Silicon Valley back then. And so I think like that was kind of the, remember, Napster, for instance, like coming about back in the days. And we were super excited, okay, like those kids in college building those sorts of applications that kind of goes and change the world. And it was really, really relatable at that time. So, and that's how it really started, because we became not just friends, but business partners where we were 20 years old, and we built our very first company together and then sold that business, moved to Silicon Valley, been there for several years. And that kind of gave us the opportunity to, be, first of all, like being exposed to everything that at that time was going on in the Valley in San Francisco, but also really mature into our kind of trajectory as tech entrepreneurs and understand like how does it work dealing with venture capital firms, like accessing capital.
Now that you've heard an excerpt from the upcoming episode on Sunday, make sure you stay tuned and connected so you don't miss a beat.